Okay, it's my big pleasure to be here. I'm Janice from Huawei. Today is my big pleasure to be here and joining you in these sessions. This is the second year I joined this AI Summit in this university. Thank you very much for joining me in this session. Last year, we shared the AI innovation and practice in China. In this year, please allow me to spend another 20 minutes in order to explore the future trend, summarize the current demand, and discuss how Huawei can better support you from the strategy to execution in order to bring everything into reality. Everyone knows artificial intelligence will be everywhere, but look into the future, let us see 5 sets of the data. By 2030, global artificial intelligence computing power will reach more than 800 zettaflops. At the same time, the yearly data volume will reach more than 1 yottabytes. But at the same time, the unit price of computing power will be decreased. As you know, in China, 1 million tokens is less than $1. The performance is improved, the price is decreased. Therefore, which make the artificial intelligence more accessible for everyone. Therefore, the global GDP will be impacted by artificial intelligence and reach to $22 trillion, which also bring more than 90 million new job opportunity to every one of us. At the same time, artificial intelligence also accelerate digital transformation across the industry. As you know, around 200 million cars will driving on the road, which generate 500 e-flops per second. And also, every 10,000 workers will own more than 1,000 robots. In entertainment sector, more than 17% of the content will be generated by artificial intelligence instead of human. And also, in education sector, more than 15 million digital teacher twins will be act, which means we will enter a collaborative learning model between human and machine. And also, in meteorological sector, the weather forecasting efficiency will be improved 10,000 times more. And also, thanks for the AI, the new drug successful rate will be increased 10 times more. All this trend is not far away from us. In last year, we are involved in more than 1,000 artificial intelligence projects and cloud computing projects. We found that there is a huge computing power. Therefore, the best way to deliver AI computing power is to embed it in cloud computing platform. There will be huge data. How to improve the data quality is a very important precondition to accelerate AI innovation. We need to have a model platform which can improve the model agility, and also a diversified available model is very important to accelerate the industry innovation. Based on those market needs, Huawei will always dedicate on this preparation. We focus and demonstrate and put it into reaction for 4 dimensions. The first, we continuously enhance our global infrastructure and embed our in-house NPU computing power named Instant inside of it. We believe it's the best way to deploy AI computing power. On top of that, we provide a series of in-house database as well as a data pipeline in order to improve the data quality and preparation for artificial intelligence. Then, we have our in-house model platform named Model S to provide an entire life cycle of the model coding, debugging, testing, development, as well as the invoking. Then we have our in-house large foundational model named Pangu. We are also very open to support more than 160 open source and third-party models. We focus on these 4 priorities: go powerful, go high quality, go agile, and go diversified. Let us go through one by one in a very short time. First of all, how to make a cloud platform with AI computing power go powerful. Somehow, Huawei is similar with the other cloud hyperscalers. we continuously enhance our global infrastructure. Now, globally, we had already built 33 regions with 96 available zones. Somehow, we are different. We established Huawei Cloud branding since 2017, but last year, our revenue had already reached $9.7 billion, means our year-over-year growth is always over than 30%. We are one of the fastest cloud in the world. And secondly, we do pay attention on the local market. We are the only cloud hyperscaler to build 3 available zones in Turkey market. This is our way to show our attention, our investment and commitment for Turkey market, in Turkey, for Turkey. Based on these 3 available zones, we can control the latency less than 20 milliseconds. And thanks for the local market trust and selection, we co-created and demonstrate our elastic cloud service capability, especially in e-commerce and financial sectors. We also try to make our artificial intelligence computing power and our model ready in coming 2 months. Furthermore, in China, in this month, we just launched a new super node, which is supported by Cloud Matrix, which is our in-house innovative architecture. A super node can work like a super server, includes 386 AI processors, which provide a computing power for 300 petaflops, which can also provide a 40 days non-stop stable training power in reality. So this is our new product. We will launch it globally, but now we try to optimize in China market. The second, how to do a better preparation in order to improve the data quality. We believe now it's not only a data lake, it's a knowledge lake. Therefore, at the bottom, we provide a different type of in-house database in order to processing the business data. On top of that, we provide a series of cloud services to provide the data extraction, data processing, data cleaning, data governance, as well as the data display. We also provide a pipeline named the DataOS in order to help the developers to improve agility. In Huawei Group, our financial sector also use a kind of cloud service to enhance their application agility. Last month, we just launched a new financial application upon our financial knowledge lake within 1 day, but previously, usually it takes 1 month or 2 months. This is our way to improve agility. I would like to emphasize a little bit more about our in-house database. We have 3 different types of database. The first one, named GaussDB, is one of our enterprise-grade relational database. Second one, named TaurusDB. TaurusDB is a cloud-native elastic relational database. We can support 1 primary node with another 15 replica nodes. Then we have another GeminiDB, which is our non-secure multi-model database. Based on this in-house database, we plan to give our customer and partner another selection to help you decrease your total cost. The third, how to make a platform agile. We have an in-house pipeline. We also can call it a model platform named ModelOS. ModelOS can give you a possibility to do the data preparation, code debugging, code testing, model testing, model development, as well as model invoking. Based on this product, as you know, in China, at the beginning of this year, we worked together with our partner, Silicon Floor, to deploy DeepSeek in 1 week. This is agility, which a model platform can give everyone in reality. On top of that, we also can provide a model as a service. Model as a service gives you a possibility to deploy more than 30 open source models ready to use in a way of artificial intelligence API to be ready for plug-in. The screenshot is our official website. You can download available models in a way of API for plug-in. And also it can support calculation by the tokens, by million tokens. Last, how to make the model diversified. From one hand, we have our in-house large foundational model named Pangu. Pangu can provide 5 foundational models: natural language model, computer vision, multimodal prediction, as well as scientific computing. Based on these 5 foundational models, we train the industry data, then generate the level 1 models named the industry-specific models. Based on these industry-specific models, we train another set of data and generate level 2 models. Level 2 models is a very task-oriented model, can specifically support the industry scenarios ready to use. You can consider the level 2 model is more likely application. It's out of box, is ready to use, and support more than 30 industries and more than 400 business cases. At the same time, we are all very open. As I explained, we also can support more than 160 open source models in our model platform. We put all those models in our models, then the API tokens is ready. Considering in many traditional industry, there is a traditional knowledge lake. Therefore, we also provide another tools in order to let your model working like a model hub. We provide a series of the tools, like we have a Pangu Brain. Pangu Brain is more likely an engine to do the model scheduling. Based on the task, Pangu Brain can select whatever model which can provide the best efficiency. Then we also have another tools named Cool Search. It's more like the IAG to provide the related functionality. This is the case. For example, there is a holding group. They provide a contact service for their customers. If the customer trigger a question, Pangu Brain can automatically scheduling this task either in local knowledge lake or transfer to the third-party open source model. Even we can bring the question and answer from the local knowledge lake onto the open source model in order to optimize the answers. So this is a way we try to make the diversity model working in an efficient way. This is the 4 value proposition we always focus on and always pay attention in order to provide a different availability for the local market. Last but not least, without your trust and supporting, we cannot move forward. We hope that in Turkey market, we can work together in order to find more opportunity to demonstrate our AI capability. We hope we can co-explore together with you, co-innovate with you, and co-create with you in order to bring artificial intelligence into Turkey, real reaction and reality. Thank you very much.